Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today to talk to you about the 2024 solar eclipse and some tips and tricks on how to maximize your solar eclipse experience. So in case you didn't know, there's going to be a solar eclipse. It's going to start in Texas. It's going to go all the way up in the Adirondacks, all the way out to the top of the US. That's going to happen on April 8th, 2024. So this is a great opportunity for photographers to get some really cool solar photos. And I just want to run you through a couple things I think that'll help make your shoot more successful. So the first thing is planning. You want to know your location. You want to make sure you're in the path of totality. Totality meaning that the moon will totally block the sun, if possible. So you want to have a clear field where you'll have no obstructions, no wires, no buildings, no mountains, no trees, none of that stuff in the way. Unless you're looking for that stuff to maybe add in as an element into your photography. So for planning, you want to check out some resources. NASA has a great website that has all the solar information on it. I'll drop the link right down here. Go to that website, learn about the area, learn where you're going to be. Some of the equipment that you're going to need to shoot the eclipse is going to be obviously a sturdy tripod, your camera with a telephoto lens if you have one, or a teleconverter, a solar filter for the front of your camera, and solar glasses for your eyes. That's the minimal equipment that you're going to need to shoot the solar eclipse. Having a solar filter for your camera is actually critical. A solar filter will allow you to shoot the sun during totality and prior to totality without damaging your camera. They're really inexpensive. You can find them all over Amazon. You can find them at B&H. You can find them all over the place. I'll put a link down here to one on Amazon. You're going to need to have a solar filter on the front of your camera in order to do any photography during the eclipse. Another piece of equipment you're really going to need is a sturdy tripod. I can't stress this enough. You need to have a sturdy tripod that you can mount your camera to. And you're going to be using a telephoto lens, typically like a 200 to 400 millimeter telephoto lens. So the sturdier your tripod, the better. You might want to use an intervalometer to eliminate camera shake. You might want to use a remote trigger or an app on your phone. Like I said, really know your location, know exactly where you're going to be shooting at, and get there early to plan out your shoot so you have a successful shoot. So you made it to the site, you're all set up, you're ready to go, you got your solar filters on, and now it's the big event. Remember, depending on your location, totality is really only going to be anywhere from a minute to 3 minutes. So you have a really small window to actually get the shot. So plan the shot out ahead of time. Know your equipment. Set it up ahead of time. Make sure you have a charged battery. Make sure you have a memory card in the camera. Like, make sure you are fully ready to go. I sound like your mom, but I'm really trying to tell you that you're not going to have time to fumble around with this. It's going to happen, and it's going to be fast, and you got to be ready to get the shot. So just a couple tips to recap here at the end of the video. Plan ahead. Arrive early. Just make sure you have fun. It's a once-in-a-lifetime event. It's happening in the US, and it's going to be a great time. Thanks for watching the video. If you take any pictures, drop them below in the comments because I'd love to see them. I'll be in upstate New York. Maybe I'll see you out in the field. Take care. Bye.